Welcome to this tutorial on how to use a Santander business loan. This comprehensive guide will walk you through the process step by step, providing you with the knowledge and expertise to make informed decisions about your business. Financing needs. First, it is essential to understand what a Santander business loan is and how it can benefit your business. A Santander business loan is a type of financing that provides businesses with the necessary funds to achieve their goals, whether it be to expand operations, purchase new equipment, or manage cash flow. To apply for a Santander business loan, you will need to meet the eligibility criteria, which includes being a UK-based business with a minimum annual turnover of £25,000. You will also need to provide financial information, such as profit and loss accounts, balance sheets, and cash flow forecasts. Once you have met the eligibility criteria, you can apply for a Santander business loan online, over the phone, or in person at a Santander branch. The application process typically involves providing detailed information about your business, including its structure, management team, and financial performance. After submitting your application, it will be reviewed by Santander's lending team, who will assess your business's creditworthiness and ability to repay the loan. If your application is approved, you will be offered a loan with a fixed interest rate and repayment term, which can range from 1 to 20 years. It is crucial to carefully review the terms and conditions of the loan before accepting it, as this will help you understand your repayment obligations and any fees associated with the loan. You should also consider seeking the advice of a financial advisor to ensure that the loan is suitable for your business needs. In terms of repayment, you will typically be required to make monthly payments, which will include both interest and capital repayments. It is essential to ensure that you have a robust cash flow management system in place to meet these repayments, as failure to do so can result in penalties and damage to your business's credit score. Best practices for using a Santander business loan include using the funds for a specific business purpose, such as investing in new equipment or expanding your operations. You should also regularly review your loan repayments to ensure that they are affordable and aligned with your business's cash flow. In conclusion, a Santander business loan can be a valuable financing option for businesses looking to achieve their goals. By understanding the application process, eligibility criteria, and repayment terms, you can make informed decisions about your business financing needs. Remember to always carefully review the terms and conditions of the loan and seek the advice of a financial advisor if necessary.